Alright, quick question. Have you ever felt like your internet connection is a time machine, except instead of sending you into the future, it just sends you back to dial up speeds? Yeah, that's the reality with a lot of file hosting sites. But hold up, I found something that can change that. Let me introduce you to real-debrid, the ultimate solution for your painfully slow downloads and streaming headaches. Stick around because this might just save your sanity. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. real-debrid is a premium downloading service that takes your slow limited file hosting links and turns them into high-speed download highways. Imagine being able to download files in a fraction of the time you usually spend waiting for that download complete notification. Yeah, it's that good. It works with over 49 file hosts. So whether you're grabbing movies, games, or software, real-debrid's got your back. And how does it work? It's super easy. You take your slow download link, throw it into the real-debrid system, and bam, instant fast download. No more broken links, no more buffering, and no more waiting for hours just to get a single file. And for those of you who like torrents, yup, real-debrid's got that covered too. You can download directly without needing any peer-to-peer software. It's a one-stop shop for high-speed downloads. Now let's talk about pricing. If you're just looking to dip your toes in, the 15-day plan is only $3.23. And if you're in it for the long haul, the 180 plan is just $17.22. That's less than $3 a month. In exchange for that small investment, you get unlimited downloads, premium speeds, and reliable streaming links for your favorite apps like Kodi. Speed-wise, I personally experienced download speed up to 10 times faster than free alternatives. No more laggy streams, no more unavailable errors, just smooth sailing from start to finish. And hey, for those of you who download large files regularly, the lack of speed caps and daily limits is a game changer. So to sum it up, real-debrid is a total win if you're serious about upgrading your download and streaming experience for less than the price of a coffee each month. You're getting premium speeds and zero buffering. Worth it? Absolutely. Thanks for sticking around, folks. Hit that like button if you found this useful and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. I'll see you in the next video.